Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you the fuses for the windshield wiper system on Mercedes CLK or W208. If your windshield wiper doesn't work, the sprayers don't work, first thing is to check, guys, okay, the fuses. First thing, the fuses. We have a video how to replace the windshield wiper motor as well. It's not too complicated, but it needs quite a bit of disassembly, so check out the video, it will be in the playlist. So now when you remove, guys, the fuse box, okay, we'll actually go ahead and show you which fuses are for the windshield wiper system here. So we have fuse 22 is one of them. 22 is a 10M fuse, okay, right there, and this one is good. So then we have another one, is a 41 is right here, blue 15 amp, okay, this one's good. And 43 is again for the windshield wiper system, perfect. And 44 I believe is for heating, for the heated spray nozzles right here. As you know, those are heated, and the whole system, the hoses inside the hood that goes there, it's heated too. And if that doesn't work, if wintertime your windshield wipers are freezing, then you definitely need to check fuse 44. So in our case, it's either fuse, but fuses are good, windshield wiper motor, or the switch itself. So check out the channel, guys, we'll have more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.